Good morning, students. Myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 6, chapter 1, knowing our numbers. So, class 6, chapter 1, knowing our numbers. At first topic, comparison of numbers. How can we find out the greatest and smallest number? How can we comparison it? There, it depends on comparison of numbers depends on two things. The first thing is number of digits. How many digits of numbers should be written? Like 3, 4, 5, 8. That is 4-digit number, and 2, 8, 6. That is 3-digit number. It is 4-digit number, so it is greater than the 3-digit number. 4-digit number is always greater than the 3-digit number. So, number of digits, first things, and second thing is place value of the digits. Place value of the digits. That means that means 4327, that is the 4-digit number, and 4348 is another number. It has 4-digit and it has also 4-digit. Then on the basis of digit we cannot find the greater number. So value of the digits here 7 and value of the digit here 8. So from thousands places at first, this and these are equal, 4 equal to 4, and 100 places 3 equal to 3, and tens places 2 equal to not 2 and 4. So 4 is greater than 2. That means 4348 is greater than 4327. So it depends on the place value of the digits. According to the first point, number of digits. When number of digits is more than other, number of digits, यानी कि number of digits 5, 8, 9, 6 and 3, 5, 4. It has 4-digit number and it is 3-digit number. That is more than this digit. So it is greater. In the second, number of digits with the greater leftmost digit is greater. As we know that from the left, this equal to this equal to this, but this not equal to this. 4 is greater than 2. So this number is greater than this number. Now, the largest and smallest number. Next topic. The largest and smallest number formed by digit 4307. How can we form from these digits the largest and smallest number? In the largest number, we use at first largest digit. So 7, then second largest 4, then third largest 3, and this last 0. That is the largest number of 4 digits formed by these digits. Next, a smallest number. At first, we take a smallest digit, that is 0. Then 3, then 7, then 4 and then 7. But it is only 347. This is not a 4-digit number. So we can use at first second smallest number digit 3, first smallest digit 0, third smallest digit 4, and last smallest digit 7, and that is the 4-digit smallest number. Now we can express or explain about the larger number. Larger number. Here we know about the larger number. In the larger number, we should learn about the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. In the Indian place value chart, by the Indian system, Indian rupees can be counted in this way, but in the international system, the amount should be counted in this way, in the ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. But in the Indian place value chart, that is the ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. These are periods, and first periods have 3 places. Ones have 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. But after that, thousands divide into 2 places, 1,000 and 10,000. Lakhs is divided into 2 places, 1 lakh and 10 lakhs. Crore divided into 2 places, 1 crore and 10 crore. So when we write the number, first comma should be written after 3 digits, and second comma should be written after next 2 digits, and the third comma should be written after that 2 digits. This is the Indian place value system. We can write these numbers in the place value chart like 5 at 1's place, 6 at 10's place, 8 at 100 place, 2 at 1000 place, 9 as 10,000 place, and 8 as lakhs place, and 4 as 10 lakhs places, and 3 2. That means 2 is at 1 crore and 3 is at 10 crore places. This way we can write the numbers in the place value chart. The another is international place value chart. In the ones places, ones period, it should be divided into 3 parts. That is ones, tens and hundred. And thousands will also divided into 3 places. This is the periods and these are places. Thousand should be divided into 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Million is also divided into 3 parts. That is 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. In this way, we can write the numbers in the international place value chart like here given. After first digit, first comma should be put after first 3 digits, and the next comma should be put after next 3 digits. It should be written as 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 2, 9, 8, 4. Here we complete the larger number by Indian place value system and international place value system. The another topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals. That means number should be written in the Roman numerals. Here I represent 1, V represent 5, X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent 100, D represent 500 and M represent 1000. But K is also represented by the 1000. So this and these are equals. The value of M is also 1000 and value of K is also 1000. Some points to know about the Roman numerals. It should be here the first point. I and X can be repeated 3 times. like 30, it should be written as 3 times. 3, it should be written as 3 times. VLD can never repeated. It can be never be repeated because 10, that means 5 plus 5. It should not be V plus V. It is a wrong process. है ना? It is a wrong process. So it should be written 10 equal to X. Next, I can be subtract from V and X only. That means 4. That means 5 minus 1 equal to V or minus 1. Subtracted amount should be written in the left side of the number and added amount should be written in the right side of the number. One thing more, X can be subtracted from L and C only. X should be, just for example, X equal to 50, L equal to 50. That means 40 should be written as 50 minus 10. That means L into minus X, XL. That is the value of 40. Enough space.